Hi, Heather. Can you talk a bit about the whoosh effect with weight loss? I find that over the last year, my pattern for weight loss has been very whooshy, in that I'll plateau for a while and then lose 2 to 3 pounds, then plateau again. Sometimes it's frustrating, and I absolutely know that weight loss isn't linear, but is it healthy for this to be such a regular pattern, or is there a sign of issue with water retention or considerations? I should address that in my diet such as sodium intake. I'm sorry. I should address in my diet such as sodium intake or anything like that. The first thing I would like to say is, again, I'm not a doctor, nurse, or medical professional. So if you think there's something odd going on, and I have seen lots of unusual things. As a matter of fact, I had one client who was really struggling with losing weight, but also with energy levels, and it turned out they were really iron deficient. So you may want to just, if you think anything's going on, you may want to get a blood panel done and just get it checked by your doctor. But here's the thing. Your body actually sounds like it's doing a very repetitive pattern. What I would ask you to check is your body going longer than 6 weeks without losing or changing. And the reason I say that is because for it to be considered a plateau, a true plateau, you would need to be going almost 6 weeks without losing anything and no movement on the scale. So let's just say you're tracking your weight in Happy Scale app. Oh, and by the way, if you're an Android user, and maybe our beautiful Miss Lauren moderator can help me on this, if you're an Android user, there is a program similar to Happy Scale app, not quietly exact, called Libra. If you type in Libra weight loss tracker, I think it's in Google Play. One of my clients stumbled across it. She's been using it and loving it. So just wanted to mention that for those of you who do not have smartphones, it's Libra, okay? Libra, I believe it is. So just want to mention, so let's just say you're tracking your weight in Happy Scale or Libra, and let's just say for 6 weeks, nothing is happening. You have a whoosh, you get another 6 weeks. If your body is being consistent with that pattern, what you want to look at is your average weight loss. I have seen this go various ways. I've had some clients where they will not lose for 6 weeks straight. They hold on, they whoosh, they drop down, they do it again. That's totally normal. Everyone's body responds differently. Women who are having a menstrual cycle, you might notice you have a whoosh with your weight loss before or after your period starts. So there's going to be these variations that occur. What you really want to start to do is look at your weight in regards to averages. So if let's just say for 3 months, or in this case, I think for a year now, you said this has been going on. Take a look at the last 12 months of data you have, add up all those whooshes. Okay, maybe it was 3 pounds here, 5 pounds there, 2 pounds here, whatever it was. Add it all up, divide by 52. What was the average weight loss? And then really just kind of assess what your calories were at and if that seems reasonable. And if not, again, you could always get thyroid checked. You could get a lot of things checked if you think there's something truly off. But the pattern you described, I've seen happen for various clients. I have some that'll go 2, 3 weeks, whoosh, same thing. I have others that they will do this for 6 weeks and then whoosh. It really depends on the body. What we're looking for is ideal way of losing weight, but more a consistency in your body and how it releases weight and really the averages. That's what you want to focus on. But in all honesty, if you look through your logs, your food logs, and you see that you're not doing anything kind of out of the ordinary, meaning like you don't go for 2, 3 weeks eating nothing but clean, quote unquote, foods, and then you go 2 or 3 weeks of eating restaurant foods and your sodium intake triples or quadruples, if something like that, a irregularity like that's occurring, that would be, of course, something that would throw up a red flag. But if you look through your food logs and pretty much everything is the same, you're eating out once or twice a week, you're cooking the rest of your food at home, your sodium levels are looking fairly consistent, your protein is looking consistent, calories are looking consistent, and that's how your body's choosing to do it, that's just kind of the way it goes. I wouldn't stress about it unless, again, you're going 6 weeks or better without anything and you're not getting the whoosh, or if you think there might be something off, if there's something going on with you that you think that there's something, medically wrong. And then I would go see your doctor.